Shall we make soup for us? Yes! We need soap base and soap molds. Olive mold and fish mold. Let's chop the base. Chop, chop, cutting up it into tiny cubes. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Tiny, tiny cubes. Tiny, tiny cubes. Tiny cubes. Makes melting them much easier. Yeah, it's easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. We're gonna melt the soap base in the hot water. Where is hot water? Is hot water.
Yeah.
Oh, the soap is melting. Caution, caution. Be careful, the water is hot. Now pour the soap into the molds. Super. Now let's let the soap to chill on the windowsill for 30 minutes before taking them out. Time to pop the soaps out of the molds. Yes, add the mold, add the mold. Super good.
Yeah.
My fish soap. I'm so excited. Wow. Now for the fun part. Give them a try. One little piece from this. See how bubbly that is? That's the kind of soap we want. That's the kind of soap we want.